in the late 60s, rural water started developing, and that started up in the Grand Forks area. We got involved in that because I knew some of the contractors that were building rural water systems, so I got acquainted with how they did it, went out and looked at the jobs, took a bunch of pictures. So I went around promoting rural water and went in and sold myself sold them on Houston Engineering can do rural water. It's nothing different than a municipal supply, except we're not running water mains in town, we're running them out the country. Usually half a dozen farmers would come into our office and say, what do you know about rural water? We'd like that in our area. That group of farmers, they became the initial board of directors. They had no formal organization. And we said we'd work with them to get them organized. When we started working with them, the first thing we had to do is develop memberships. Typically, the membership back then was $50. You could become a member of the rural water system that didn't exist yet. And at $50 a piece, we got 400 of them. That'd be like $20,000. That was usually enough for them to hire us to do a preliminary engineering study, retain an attorney to do some legal work, and then they'd have their first annual meeting and elect a board of directors, and the attorney would draw up legal papers to incorporate, and that's kind of how we got started. Our first system was trail rural water, and I think at last count we had 7 or 8 rural water systems. Trail rural water in Trail County, Dakota rural water in neighboring county, Cass rural water, Stutzman rural water, Wells rural water, Richland rural water, BDM rural water system in South Dakota, and Grant Roberts water water system in South Dakota. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rural water systems that we work with.